Here I have this smartwatch. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So this is my first impression, first unboxing. This is the model G56. So let's go ahead and take it out. Let's see what it looks like. The great thing about this one is that it should be compatible with both Android and the iPhone. All right, so here in the front, you do get your full user manual. Lets you know more about the watch, how to use it, how to set it up. All right, so this is what it looks like. It does have additional bands, so you can go ahead and swap it out. Let me see. It comes with a little charging cable. Comes with the 3 additional bands. So it currently has one on, but then it has like this like fabric style band. It has these little clippies. It has this band right here that has little holes. All right, so I'm going to take out the watch. Very, very nice watch. It's lightweight and it's not heavy. It does have the plastic band already on there. So I'm going to give you a close-up. This is what the back looks like. The back of the watch does have this little cover in the front, just so you could go ahead and take it off once you are ready to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on, pressing the little sidebar here. It's turning on, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that just so you could see. It wants me to go ahead and select a language. Give you that. So it is a touch screen. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set it up with my phone. There is a QR code here, so I could go ahead and scan it and then set up the watch. So here is the app. I went ahead and scanned the QR code and it is super simple to follow. You're going to want to go ahead and set up a profile. This watch has many features such as selecting a custom face for your watch and basically just customizing the full watch in general. Okay, so I went ahead and connected the watch. And I did show you how to do that. So once the watch turns on, it does have a little QR code. So you want to go ahead and scan it with your phone. It automatically takes you to the app. You want to go ahead and download the app. It's going to go ahead and have you fill out like your profile, kind of ask you a few questions and then set it up. Then you want to go ahead and pair your watch to your phone. I did show how to change the face of the watch. Let me go ahead and take it off just to show you. So I did change the face of the watch. So let me go ahead and light that up. It was super easy. There's a variety of different styles of watch faces. And then also it shows you everything that your watch has, like your blood oxygen levels, your heart rate. You could track your steps. You could track your workouts. Just a lot of stuff. Also, you could receive text messages. You could control your music. So basically any function that a watch has, this one also does. So this is a smartwatch. Very, very nice. I love the way that it looks. If you double click it here, it'll take you to the screen right here. So you go ahead and see all the different things that it has. Your blood oxygen, your sleep, your music. You could call your daily exercise, your heart rate, training, messages, voice assistant, SOS, games, settings. And as you could see, it works very well the way that I'm like moving it, the reaction time on it. Tap on it. I didn't know how to play it at first, but you just gotta tap on it and the little bird flies. Ah. Super, super cool.